Hello guys, welcome to Big Pro. So today I'm going to show you all how to type 3D text using this PixelLab. So without wasting much more time, let's begin with our work. First of all, you'll need to download this PixelLab from Play Store. So let's begin. So here it is the portal view of PixelLab. So I just want to choose the white color background and I want to select the size of image. Let's keep it as a Facebook cover art, yeah, like this. So I also want to change the color of this background into a blue. So click here and click into the color and change it into a blue color. Click tick, and finally I want to add a text here. I love you baby. So here you have to click on this plus sign and click text. And click here and type your own text. I want to type I love you baby. So here you have to click OK, and now it's done. And if you want to change the font of your text, you just have to go to text here, and there is option called font here. I want to change the font into, yeah, it's looking really beautiful. I like it. I want to make it a little bigger. And I also want to add a outline, a stroke. So you just have to go to the stroke option here, enable. So I want to increase the stroke width into 10, 12, 14. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. Let's keep it in 10. Yeah, 10. It's good. So click tick. So I also want to add something shadow, and click tick. So I want to make this text into a 3D form. So let's select the 3D text here. 3D. Oh, it's looking something bulge. So I want to keep the tab something 6, yeah, and I want to rotate the text horizontally, something like that. Yeah, it's looking at 3D. See, yeah. Yeah, okay. So now it's done. I want to add something reflection also. Now it's not looking nice. So now it's done. So in order to save this picture into a gallery, you just have to go here and click save as image and save to gallery. So go back to your gallery and see whether it was saved or not. So see here, yeah, it was saved. See, so this is the way how you can make any kind of 3D text in PixelLab. So if you want to make it, you can simply download the PixelLab from Play Store, and you can enjoy with 3D text like this. So guys, finally thank you for watching my video, and if you guys have enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.